All right, hi advisory. It's Mrs. Ahrndt. I've already gotten several emails from you guys feeling a little distressed. So I just want to send you guys some virtual hugs and let you know that we're all in this together. So don't feel like you're alone in this. I even sent out my cell number to a student that I just felt like, oh my gosh, she just thought it was the end of the world. So I really want you guys to just take a breath. Monday, look for the Monday folder. I wrote Monday on my folder in my class. Um, this is an example. So this is the advisory class. So this is an example of what I sent to all my classes. Also giving them virtual hugs, and I gave them a sliver of my schedule. So first hour starts at 9, and I have three classes that are Foundations 1. So first, fourth, and fifth. So I was explaining conference time. I was explaining screenomatic time. Screenomatic is basically what you're seeing right now. It's the teacher talking while a PowerPoint is up, or while a video is going on, or while they could draw on it. I mean, there's so many things I could do with this. Um, so this is my full schedule. Okay. The purple is you guys. So except for Tuesday, because that's when I meet with the teachers, between 8 and 8:45, I'm all yours. You guys can send me emails, you guys can send me flip grids. I will get them. So and I could even do a conferencing, like see the red, that's all conferences. And you're going to learn conferences because teachers are going to set them up. Where is conferences? See right here where it has the name of your class, and then materials, and then grade book, grade setup. All the way down is conferences. If I click conferences right now, it has active conferences and completed conferences. So when you finish a conference with a teacher, that teacher is going to put the conference here. So what does that mean? Well, if Mr. Smith is doing a math lesson and you felt like it went a little fast, then you can always watch the video over and over to get it right. Active, it is going to be also, if you click the active button, you'll have a list of conferences that are coming up. So they're active. The status even says that they haven't begun yet, but it gives you the title of the conference, the start time, and the end time. Now, you're looking at the teacher window, so it does say create new conference. I don't think you can create a new conference. I think Akil asked, hey, where can I communicate with a friend? I don't think this is the place, but I could be wrong. And that could be something that you can ask maybe another teacher, because right now conference, it's between me and my students, not between student and student. Okay, going back to material. Do, 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 do. So you can scroll through this PowerPoint. It kind of explains some words that you're hearing but not quite knowing what to do with it. Oh, it's downloading. Also, I love my schedule. I can see it clearly as to when I should be live and when I shouldn't. Here is a template. I gave you guys a blank template that you guys can then put down the pieces of your classes into this template, so you know what hour you have and when, right? So under advisory, how about I could put a live conference. How about Friday? Who wants to wake up at 8 on a Friday? Let's go with Wednesday. So Wednesday at 8, we could do a live conference, okay? Homework and learning. Sorry, this is so tiny. I should change that. But so they still do expect you guys to be learning 3 to 4 hours a week per class. So if you consider a regular class was 50 minutes times 5 days, 3 to 4 hours is actually less than when you show up in a class. Okay, so this is what conference looks like. Conference is right here. When you log in, your teacher is going to be talking and showing stuff here. There will be a red button. If there isn't a red button, then you might want to tell the teacher they forgot to record. So the red button is telling you record. The teacher has something written here, like, I don't know, like this is a PowerPoint, but it could be something else. And this was an actual conference that I did a screenshot. So here's me, Mr. DeLong, Miss Rathmanner, Ferdine, Wackman. So there were 24 of us all lined up. So in a classroom, all the student names are here. And then you guys can type questions. So while I'm talking or while the teacher's talking, you can type a question and the teacher can read the question and answer it right on the spot. So it is like quick feedback for you guys. Okay, so I have four things here. The conference, which is right here. The flip grid, which a lot of you guys did a flip grid. It's a 90-second response, flip grid. Screenomatic is what you're seeing right now with me. And then WebEx. Now, some teachers are doing WebEx to contact parents. I don't think anybody is doing a WebEx to interact with you because we have conferences. So why we meet online? Well, the whole video conference thing is it's really a good check-in for a small group, a large group, even for one person. Like in my art class, when I have a student that is working on a painting or a drawing and I can't be next to that person could show me on the screen and I can make comments through my screen. It's good instruction time, it's office hours time, it's feedback time, and then a lot of staff is going to use it as a parent meeting time. So if they need to contact your parents, we're seeing them face to face. Flipgrid, like I said, it's a great way to respond to a question. So advisory Flipgrid, they're going to want you guys to respond to this question in the first week. I actually have to create this grid, so it's going to happen. Fridays will be my Flipgrid days, or Fridays. So one question is, what are you doing to stay healthy during your time away from school? And the other one is, what can I do to support you during flex time? So you can answer those two questions in 90 seconds. Okay, so it's just a quick, you're responding. Screenomatic is what you're seeing now. A teacher might ask you to create a screenomatic. Here's a good YouTube title. So if you type in, here's how to create a screencast in 3 easy steps, it really is 3 easy steps. I'm doing it right now and I'm not computer savvy. So it's really, really easy and it's free. WebEx, like I said, is a face-to-face with parents. It's a face-to-face on the internet, not a face-to-face on Schoology. Conferences is a face-to-face on Schoology. Okay, and if you have any more questions for me, that's my email. So have a great Monday. Don't fret. Don't worry. Be happy. And oh, there's a Panther Mentors if you want to be involved in Panther Mentors. If you click on these links, Thursday at 3:15 or Friday at 8 in the morning. Miss Bloom, Erickson, Glenchen, and Rathmanner are going to have a session with you guys. Okay, so that's people that are interested in being a Panther Mentor. If you want to contact your counselor, I'm going to make that bigger, but it's probably going to explode. Anyway, you can click on that, make it bigger. It has a telephone number, it has an email, and it has the like Turchio, right? Miss Turchio is really your counselor. And that's it. All right, so have a great time. Down here is my flip grid if you want to see my face. Okay, have a great one. That's 8 minutes, 52 seconds. So I'm going to sign off now. Take care. Have a good Monday. Don't fret.